Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and in this video I would like to show to you how to manage post visibility on TikTok by iOS or iPhone. So the first thing you have to do now is just go open your TikTok application, and here is the look whenever you open the TikTok application. And whenever you open it, sometimes you will be brought into the home section. Now you need to jump into the profile section of your account. Whenever you're here, you just need to go click this three straight lines, and after that you just need to go into the settings and privacy. In the settings and privacy, you need to go into the content and display part, and in this way you just need to go click into the activity center. In this activity center, there will be several options that you can access from the watch history, comment history, search history, and manage post visibility. So if you want to manage it, so we need to click it, and the TikTok will bring you into the content that you have on your TikTok account. And now you just need to choose which post that you want to set. For example, you want to set this, so you just need to go click this part, and after that you need to go click next. Now you just need to choose to update the visibility of your content. Either you want to keep it by yourself or post private so that only you who can see it, so you just need to go click this. But then if you want to make it visible for the friends that you follow, you can also do this. But then if you want to send this post for public, so you just need to go click everyone. And whenever you finish choosing the visibility access, you just need to go click update, and there will be done. So that's the way how to manage post visibility on TikTok. If you find this tutorial today is useful for you, don't forget to leave some comment, like, and subscribe into this channel.